Okay, I'm actually going to do an unboxing video on this one. I kind of checked it out a little bit, but usually I've taken another couple other videos where I just opened it up and close that real quick. Okay, where I just opened it up and just kind of went through the stuff, but I'm actually going to open this one up and video it. It comes with a monkey fist. I've been wanting a monkey fist. Just never had the idea to, never had the motivation to buy one. Well, another little cheap little compass, but that'll get thrown in a bag. We have, what is this one? Oh yeah, it's a lockpick set, which I have a couple lockpick sets. I've never had one show up in the mystery box before, but that's good. Let's get in. Yep, it is a lockpick set. Otherwise, why would there be a practice lock? But I mean, that's actually not bad. Pull that out of there. I don't like that style tensioner tool, but oh, it looks like there might be another little tensioner. Okay, yeah, there's another tensioner in there. I do like that style, where it's more of an L shape than this little Z shape. I don't like the Z shape ones. So that's cool. I'm wanting to get a better one of those, so I'll test that out. The SOA, one shot, one kill, G10 dagger. And this thing is actually pretty damn nice. It's pretty heavy, and it's a full steel tang, which it's got just a bolted on plastic hand grip, but that's alright. Let's see, what does it say? Stainless steel, handcrafted in China. Yeah, well, it still feels real nice. It's very well weighted. So, not bad. Actually, not bad at all. Field tested. M48 Hawk. M48 Commando. And they're nice. Tight. Oh. Okay. Pull that out of here. Drop the phone. Anyway, that's actually really nice. Decent edge on it. It's gonna have to be sharpened, but let's see how that does. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, what do we got here? Well, let's see what it says. If it says anything. Stainless United. Well, yeah, it's United Cutlery, which is not a bad brand at all. I like United Cutlery. They've got not the highest quality of blades, but not super low quality either. It's a pretty good blend between quality and budget. To me, anyway. Some people are probably like, yeah, United Cutlery. Let's see. M8 Cyclone. Could get that. More advertisement, though. Liberator Sabotage 2 Combat Knife. That looks exciting. And here we go. The M48 Woodman Axe. Injected molded nylon reinforced fiberglass handle, measures 15.5 inch overall, 3.25 inch razor sharp blade. I don't know about that. Injection molded TPU and nylon belt sheath, 6 3/8 inch 3CR13 cast stainless steel axe head, 4/5 inch wide textured hammer back. Okay, maybe 4 or 5 inch long. I don't know, whatever. Alright, and then we've got the M48. Which one do I have? Oh, M48 Hawk. Infantry Tomahawk. I read the wrong one. No, I don't have that one either. Okay, none of these are that one. This is just propaganda. Which they've got some pretty good knives here. All at Budk, of course, which is where I ordered the mystery box from. Another Ferrocerium rod. I guess you really can't have too many of those, although if you can, I do. Another double-headed Warhammer. More propaganda. C.H. Cadell's. And let's see. The primary box would have come with the one-shot, one-kill tactical knife and sheath. Ghost Viper tactical in-ear hearing protectors. 2 pair. That must be what this is. I guess I didn't even open this yet. I just kind of skipped right over it. Yep, Ghost Viper tactical. Let's see how you open this damn thing. Okay, push down. Pull that out. Okay. So hearing protection. It's always a good thing to have. Okay, anyway, let's go back to it. The primary box would have had those, as well as that one-shot, one-kill knife. Elite Forces Self-Defense Monkey Fist. Trailblazer Heritage Pocket Compass. Bushmaster Survival Fire Striker. Booby Traps Field Guide. What? Booby Traps Field Guide. So where the hell is that? And how did that get overlooked? Unless it got... I'm gonna look, figure something out with that. Okay, and I found it. Booby Traps. Top Secret Field Guide. Set that down for a second. Just kind of open everything before I started to record. More propaganda, know your knots book, stuff like that. Okay, so no wire entanglement. Okay, cool. Okay, so it's got that. Put that back in there. Set that in there. I really do like that. That's pretty cool. So this little sheath. Survival knife, whatever. So that's what the... Okay, anyway, back to what I was doing. I get sidetracked sometimes. Okay, so that was in the primary box. Pro box, that is what I got. $49.99 a month, which there is $10 per ship, $10 for shipping. Retail value was $132.92. Everything featured up here, as well as the M48 Hawk X Special Edition Survival Orange, and the Secure Pro Practice Lock and Pick Set, $20 value. The Elite Box, which I cannot afford, includes everything in the basic and pro boxes, plus M48 Smatch It and Sheath. I don't know what a Smatch It is, but whatever. Oh, that might be... Where'd that propaganda box go? Let's see. That would have been the M48 Smatch It and Sheath. Let's see if it's in here. Nope. Sabotage, Talon. I was thinking it might have been that with the... Nope. Okay. I don't know what it is. And M48 Blackout Waterproof Digital Watch. That wouldn't have been too bad. So all in all, I mean, these... I've gotten a few of them where it's like, really? I paid that much for this? Because I was getting the primary box, which is $19.99, which comes to $30 a month. So sometimes with that one, I was kind of thinking, man, I paid $30 for this. And I actually did cancel the subscription there for a while because I wasn't 100% sure it was really worth it. But then I opened it back, I started it back up, went with the $50 one, and this is my second one I've gotten since switching to the 50. I should have actually done an unboxing on the first one, but I didn't. So for this month, I'm actually pretty satisfied. Yeah, I'll definitely actually use most of these. I should make more videos because I absolutely have a blade obsession. I love different blades and stuff, so I probably would have bought something similar to these, but I'm also on a budget, so. But that's what came in this box for this month. Next month I'll make another video and I'll unbox that one, and I guess I'll just keep doing it.